Hello friends, here to do an unboxing for Mindful Souls. This is box number 34 and I've actually had it for a while. So let's go ahead and open it and see what it is. This again is Mindful Souls. I have a subscription to this. I get one box per month. And as always, Mindful Souls boxes packaging is impeccable. On the side it says www.mindfulsouls.com. On the top, it's got Mindful Souls. The sticker right here, it says open up the world of inner peace and self-love. Okay. When you open it up, there is more awesome packaging. It says, and just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities. It gives you a QR code here where you can join a community that understands you, a community where you get to collect all these cool spiritual thingies. So, right from the top, when you open the box, there's always a little pamphlet that shows what's in the box. There's usually a theme to each box, and there's always a little saying on the pamphlet. It says, we are not separate from nature, we are nature. This is going to be a nature box. It says it's Back to Earth, a collection for giving back to Mother Nature. Mother Nature grounds us when nothing else can. She calms our nerves just by being near her. She holds us, quite literally, every single day. This month we celebrate Earth Day, and while caring for our planet physically, matters, there's another layer most people miss: energetic reciprocity. That is give and take. We receive so much from her, but what if the relationship could go both ways? What if you could offer your energy back to her? This collection was inspired by that question. Inside, you will discover tools for both receiving Mother Nature's support and consciously giving back, because you've been held all along and now it's time to hold her back. And then it does explain each item that comes in the box, so we will be looking at that when we're done. There is the Earth Exchange Practice, Advanced Energy Work for a Deeper Connection here, which we will talk about before we're done. And on the back, there's a guide on the 2 directions of earth energy, how to do grounding, what grounding is, and what earth healing is. So we will explore those things. Each box comes with an affirmation card. I do have a collection of all of these. I've actually created a affirmation board, basically, where I display all these cards. And it is rather large, my friends. On this side, I've got affirmations. So I'll go ahead and just set this behind me. Each month when I get a new subscription box, I add the affirmation card to the board. This one is an affirmation for connection to Mother Nature. It says, the earth holds me with love and strength. I honor her by giving back with the intention and gratitude. Together we are balance. Very cool. Love it. There's always a sticker. This sticker says Green Witch Energy. Love it. Okay, so we're just going to go right into what's in the box. The first thing I see right on top is something very colorful. So let's check. Wow, this is beautiful. Gorge, look at that. Oh my goodness. So this is called the Zen Meditation Tapestry. The intention is for a sacred space and for visual meditation. This covers all of the elements: earth, wind, fire, and water. It is for all of the chakras. It says this vibrant chakra tapestry creates instant sacred space for your earth honoring practices. The aligned chakras remind you that you and the earth share the same energetic system. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love this. That would make an awesome altar cloth too. Very beautiful. Okay. I'm going to try to keep this video under the 10-minute mark, so we're going to move along. The next thing I see is this little container here. So very cute. Packaging is always just amazing. It says Earth Moon. Oh, sorry. It says Mindful Souls on it. Okay, inside. Oh my goodness. Look at this. That's gorgeous. That is Green Aventurine. Okay, Green Aventurine Crystal Wand. The intentions for this are directed energy and heart healing. This is the element of earth and the chakra of the heart. A precision tool for advanced energy work. The 12 facets amplify and focus your intention, while Green Aventurine connects directly to Earth's heart center, perfect for sending healing energy to the planet. And then it tells you how to use it. It says point towards the earth during healing work to direct energy with focus. Oh my goodness, it's got 12 facets. That is beautiful. Oh, love. Okay, we're going to move on. We've got a large, so what we have in here are a large bag and 3 smaller bags. I'm going to go ahead and go for this bag first. There's something small in here. What do we got? Oh, it's a ring. Oh, beautiful. Okay, so let me see. Oh, this is a leaf ring. The intentions behind this one is growth and natural cycles, the earth element, all the chakras, a wearable symbol of nature's constant cycles of growth, change, and renewal. The openable design reminds you that your connection with earth is alive and always evolving. Wear when you need to remember you're part of nature, not separate from it. So it looks like a leaf. It looks like it's adjustable. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Gorgeous. Okay. And go to another bag here. This one's a bit heavy. What? This is Ganesh. Okay. I'm a little familiar with Ganesh. Mini Pyrite Ganesh. The intentions for this one is obstacle clearing and earth connection with using the earth element and the root chakra. Ganesha is the remover of obstacles, including whatever blocks a deeper earth connection. Pyrite's grounding metallic energy links you directly to Earth's ancient abundance and wisdom. How to use: to carry in your pocket during earth work or hold when setting earth healing intentions. So I can see the pyrite. So this is an orgonite, and it looks like it has like pyrite dust in it. How adorable is that? This is heavy. Oh my goodness. What? You know, I love that. Gorgeous. Okay, let's move right along. We've got another small bag. I'm leaving the largest one for last. Ooh, we got a necklace. This is green jade pendant. Oh my goodness. The intentions: earth wisdom and sacred reminder. Earth element, heart chakra. Jade has been revered as a sacred earth stone across cultures for thousands of years. This piece brings that ancient earth wisdom into your daily life as a wearable reminder. Wear daily as a commitment to honoring your relationship with nature. So that is the flower of life, the symbol on this. And little jade beads at the bottom. I love that. Jade happens to be my middle name. So that really resonates for me. Gorgeous. Okay, we've got one left here. We got, ooh. Oh my goodness. How gorgeous. Okay, this is sacred bell chime. The intention is sound offering and for a sacred call, the air element, throat and crown chakra. It says, sound carries intention further than thought alone. This beautiful chime can send gratitude and blessings to the earth or call in Earth's healing whenever you need support. Ring to send blessings to Earth or to open and close your nature practices. So there are 7 bells on this. That's gorgeous. I love the brass bells. I love the wooden beads on what looks like a hemp cord. Very cool. Okay, so those are the items that come in the box this month. And next we're going to explore this earth exchange practice. This is the beautiful tapestry. I love it so much. Here is everything else that came in the box. The pamphlet. Here is the earth exchange practice. You can screenshot that. Here is the 2 directions of earth energy, 2-way flow for grounding versus earth healing. You can screenshot that. And if you're interested in getting the Mindful Soul subscription box once a month, here is the QR code. And I would just like to add that this is actually a high quality tapestry with a sergered edge and such beautiful, bright, vibrant colors. So Mindful Souls is one of my favorite monthly treats. I look very forward to it every month and absolutely highly recommend. And last but certainly not least, we're going to add this month's sticker and affirmation to our board. And there you go. Mindful Souls. Again, this is Mindful Souls at www.mindfulsouls.com. If you're interested in getting your monthly subscription coming right away, go ahead and go check out that website, and I promise you won't regret it.